Hello everyone, my name is Terence Goh. I am the CEO and co-founder of BAM Fintech. BAM produces machine-generated research for retail, private, and virtual banks. In banks, one of the highest and most consistent revenue generator come from structured product sales. A key driver of this consistent revenue contribution depends on the ability of the structured product to continuously roll over. It all boils down to selecting the underlying for the structured product as well as the timing of the execution to ensure this process carries on a consistent basis. The current structured product selection process typically starts with a morning run. With indicative prices from 10 over investment banks, relationship managers are typically presented with a grid showing the price, the underlying, and various strike prices. Most RMs would tip towards selecting a low price, high yield with the best margin ELN to sell to their clients because they are under constant revenue pressure to meet their monthly sales target. This selection process creates a big problem. As we know, yields are highest when the underlying stock prices start to fall. This often results in the ELN being converted at the maturity and possibly have the client stuck with a high entry price on the underlying stock. Therefore, BAM initiated a new selection process. Instead of starting with a price grid, we start with a sector or theme for each market. The stocks within each sector or theme needs to pass 1. The share concentration test, 2. The market liquidity test, and 3. The financial fitness test. The financial fitness test looks at the company's profitability, earnings capability, and capital structure as well as its intrinsic value. Once a stock passes the above test or fundamental analysis, it is further filtered using both long-term and short-term technical analysis indicators to detect if there is real buying interest before it recommends a buy. This process is done on a scale across every large, medium, and small cap stock for each exchange. It can be scaled to cover 20 major listed exchanges across the world, providing instantaneous advice and recommendations for over 50,000 stocks on a daily basis without any human intervention. In our market analytics database, besides providing buy and sell recommendations, we have long-term for more than 3 month structures, medium-term for between 2 weeks and 3 months, as well as short-term tenors for up to 2 weeks expiry for the selection of RM's use. In addition, our software automatically calculates key support and resistance levels for each stock for use as the ELN strike and knockout levels, instead of using the standard 95% or 98% strike, which has really no basis. Besides equities, RoboJean also provides FX and index recommendations for premium currency investment as well as index-linked structured product selection. In our back test, done using the strikes and the stock selections and FX levels selected by RoboJean, we were able to achieve rollover rates in excess of 80% for various tenors. BAM Fintech is licensed by the MAS in Singapore as a financial advisor since 2018. We are authorized to provide securities research across different markets, including FX and derivatives. Our software empowers the Chief Investment Officer, the investment committee, and the dealers to filter and decide what stocks the RMs can see and buy. This content management back-end allows the team to create your own teams and sectors and allow the RM to access what's available and promoted by the team via your own app and web access. In summary, RoboJean enables banks to drive more structured product sales through higher rollover rates, less conversions and exercise options, more satisfied clients, better ideation process and storyboard for the RMs, more stock coverage across different exchanges across the world, resulting in greater productivity amongst the dealers and increasing their level of servicing of structured product for the relationship managers. For more information on how RoboJean can help your structured products business, contact BAM Fintech today. Thank you, everyone.